I've got another quick little recipe for you today, and it's for an authentic tasting chip shop curry sauce. Really easy to make, and it's also freezer friendly. So we'll get all the spices together and we'll make ourselves some chip shop curry sauce. So we'll start off by adding the spices. And we need 1 teaspoon of curry powder. This is medium curry powder, but obviously if you want it hotter, use a different one. Then we want a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of garlic granules, then half a teaspoon of cumin. To that, I'm just going to add a little black pepper, or you could use white, and just a pinch of salt. And then we need a teaspoon of sugar. I'm just going to heat this through on a really low heat for about a minute. Then I'm going to add 400 millilitres of chicken stock. Or you could use vegetable stock if you prefer. Now we'll turn that heat up to medium. And I'm just going to add a dash of lemon. And we'll keep stirring that to make sure we've dissolved all those spices. Then I'm adding a teaspoon of red wine vinegar, or you could use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, that's up to you. Then we need 50 grams of unsalted butter, and we'll let that dissolve. So now that butter is melting nicely, we're going to simmer this to thicken it. Or you could add a cornstarch slurry if you want to do it quicker. Well, that didn't take very long to put together. And if I was to do anything different when I made that, I would have melted that butter in microwave in advance, because then it won't take as long to dissolve when you put it in that pan. And also, it does come out as quite a hot curry sauce, for me personally anyway, but everybody's palate's different, so when you're making it, adjust the ingredients to suit yourself. And if it comes out a little bit too hot for you, just add a couple of tablespoons of yogurt and that'll cool it down. But either way, it is an authentic looking and tasting chip shop curry sauce. If you're interested in seeing other recipes we're going to be doing over the next few weeks, please hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you at next upload. Take care.